Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Saturday the 21st of May 2022 and we're publishing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 20th of May. Now this video was written on Saturday, but unfortunately we were unable to upload it on the weekend as we were away on a weekend break and the laptop actually broke down when it came to us recording this video, which is why it's being uploaded on Monday. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we can expect this coming week. Gold rose $35 last week, rising from $1,811 to $1,846, having hit a high of $1,849 and a low of $1,789. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £1,478, that's unchanged, and in euros it closed at €1,748, that's up €7. Silver rose 64 cents. Rising from $21.14 to $21.78, having hit a high of $22.10 and a low of $20.86. In sterling terms, silver closed at £17.44, that's up 20 pence on the week, and in euros it closed at 20.63 euros, that's up 0.33 euros, thereby showing last week certainly the relative strength of sterling versus both the dollar and the euro. The gold to silver ratio fell a point from 85.7 to 1 to 84.7 to 1. So what was our forecast for last week's trading range? Well, we concluded the last week's video with the following, quote, "So this coming week we're expecting to see gold trade between 1750 and 1875 with 1700 to 1900 as outliers. We forecast silver to trade between 1975 and 2250 with 19 and 23 as outliers." Well, gold traded well within our normal range, and silver also did the same, trading well within our normal range, though we have to admit we did expect both of them to dip slightly during the course of the week, a little more than they did, but it was still captured within that range. Now the difference between gold's high and low was $60 and silver's difference was $1.24, a smaller difference than the previous week. Looking at some of the other financials, Bitcoin rose $208 and currently stands at $29,470. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 31,262, up 8 points on the day, that's up on Friday, but down 934 points on the week. The S&P 500 closed at 3,901, up 1 point on the day, but down 122 on the week. And the Nasdaq Composite closed at 11,354, down 33 points on the day, and down 451 points on the week. Oils, well, fortunately not too much of a change in the sense of rising. Brent crude closed at $112.55, that's up $1, and WTI crude closed at $110.28, that's down 21 cents on the week. The dollar index stands at 103.15, that's down 1.41 points on the week, quite a significant fall really. And an explanation as to why gold and silver prices rose without any major geopolitical changes during the course of last week. Now let's take a look at what economic data we have coming this coming week. On Monday, no real data being published. Tuesday, the S&P Flash Manufacturing and Services PMI for May and the new home sales for April. Wednesday, durable goods orders and capital equipment orders for April and also the FOMC minutes. On Thursday, we have weekly jobless claims, gross domestic income for Q1, and pending home sales for April. And then on Friday, PCE and core PCE inflation for April, real consumer spending for April, and the UMich Consumer Sentiment Index for May. So the important day this coming week really is Friday, though the FOMC minutes on Wednesday will be of interest in advance of Friday's inflation figures. So, what do we really expect to happen to gold and silver prices this week? Well, in terms of the technicals, they're going to be little different from last week. Slightly juxtaposed simply because the moving averages are changing, but broadly not dissimilar in terms of support and resistance levels. And frankly, we also are of the opinion that the technicals are going to have limited effect, because what will prove more important this week will be Friday's figures, Wednesday's minutes, and any change, if any, in the Russia-Ukraine relationship. But overall, we still foresee gold and silver under pressure. However, there may be a slight rise on Monday, following through from what happened last Friday, but the reality of higher rates ahead will undoubtedly take their toll and act as headwinds for precious metals. So, this coming week, we're expecting to see gold trade between $1,775 and $1,875 as a normal trading band, with $1,750 and $1,900 as outliers. We forecast silver will trade between $20.50 and $22.50, with $20 to $23 as outliers. The most significant changes we do foresee will occur in the run-up to the next FOMC meeting in June. So, what do you think? How do you think gold and silver prices are going to fare this coming week? Do share your thoughts. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to the channel, not forgetting to press the bell sign so you're notified of our videos as and when they're published. Naturally, we wish you, as always, a safe, enjoyable weekend and prosperous week ahead. And we will be duplicating this video tomorrow, but under a different thumbnail and header. Thank you once again. Until our next video. Illuminati silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.